Welcome back to my channel, guys. So today I created this really nice easy smoky eye. I really hope you guys enjoy it, and if you guys would like to see how I created this smoky eye, then please keep on watching. So I'm going to begin by applying this Decay concealer on my eyelids, and then I am going to be blending it out with a Morphe sponge, and then after I finish doing that, I am going to be setting it with some translucent powder. For today's eye makeup, I am going to be using the Ball Collection by Jessamine Hill. So I am going to be starting off by applying that really nice brown on my crease, and I'm just going to be blending that out. So yeah, and by the way, I am going to mainly concentrate on the palette that has mostly purples. So yeah, you will see me do that in a bit. But right now, yeah, I'm concentrating on like blending the eyeshadow out. So I am going to be applying Rockstar on my eyelids next, and then I'm just going to be blending those two eyeshadows together. I'm making sure it's well blended because blending is the key, guys. So that's what I'm doing right now. So after I finish blending, I am going in with this color that's a really nice dark purple. It's called Mystic, I believe. And I'm also going to be applying that on my crease. I'm blending all those shadows together as well because blending is the key, guys. So yeah, I'm just taking my time blending and blending. Then I'm going in with Berry Treasure. It's a really dark like purple, but to be honest it looks black for some reason. I don't know why, but I'm going to be applying that all over my eyelids and I'm just working with it. To be honest, it does look black and on my eyelids, and in that palette it looks like a really nice sparkling purple. I don't know, like it's weird, but yeah, anyways, I'm just applying that all over my eyelids. Then I'm going back to Rockstar and I'm just going to be applying it right under my waterline. Then I'm going to take the color Blink Blink. It's a really nice like sparkling purple, like light purple, and I'm just going to be placing that right in the inner corners of my eyes just to give it like a really nice pop. So yeah. So I did curl and I applied my mascara off camera. So yeah, anyways, then I am going to be applying some eyelashes. These ones are by Lily Lashes and they're called Lila, I believe. And I used the House of Lashes glue in black. And then I went ahead and applied black eyeliner on my waterline. This one is by Maybelline and it works so freaking good. So yeah, guys, I think that's about it for my eyes. And by the way, I am going to add some clips like for like my bronzer and stuff. I'm not going to do the voiceovers just because I forgot to record the stuff that I was using. So yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoy the rest of the video. So we came to an end, guys. I really hope you guys liked this makeup look, and if you guys did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Let me know what you guys think about this smoky eye, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.